tu. Matahari tapi sejuk.
Americano je. Americano jap.
Black coffee.
Ya, ada minum apa tak itu?
Akak nak beli air apa, Kak? Daripada tadi pusing-pusing nak beli air. Abu mana Abu?
What's the stir?
Dia kamu kan? Kan? 200. Tu berapa? 100.
Espresso ne var buraya?
Dah, Kak.
Burcu. Burada ne var?
Ni ada gula-gula. Kita dah sampai Bursa. Matahari tapi sejuk. And in everybody another station, Turkey 99% Muslim, Islam, Sunni, Hanefi majority. And but when you say Sibel, which city very conservative Islam? Two city. Number one Bursa. Number two city Konya. Two city Kozan Islam conservative. Sedikit standard Arab standard. Sedikit. Ready? Hadi bakalım. Please follow me. We have a look the Ulu Cami together. Okay. Di masjid dia pun cantik pun.
Are we praying here?
Tak, kita sekejap je. Bapak mana? Kakak mana? Ni bapak aku depan mata aku dah tak nampak dah. Kak. Dalam masjid ada ni. Ni apa ni namanya bang? Dia ada lemon lagi ni, ada lemon. Apa benda lah ni? Kak, kita tengok bapak rasa. Apa bang?
Berapa sangat?
Agak-agak apa benda?
Tamam, sıkıntı çok fazla eksik hallederiz.
Ni salad.
Tempe juga.
Ni abang suka ni, salad. Thank you.
Ada tempe juga. Tapi dengan kedai kampung itu juga lemon jadi. Jadi dia punya rasa macam.
Yelah, ni kan ada lemon. Sebab tu dia kena peral lemon. Kenapa bro? Ha? Boleh makan tak? Apa rasa? Abang, apa rasa?
Jadi dia tahu benda juga.
Kena belajar.
Yang kali Abu pakai ni.
Kena belajar terima makanan dekat tempat orang.
Yang kali apa?
Dekat Turki pun main playground juga. Pergi naik atas ni. Mari ambil. Pergi naik atas. Abu.
Susah tak?
Kat mana-mana dah nama budak. Best pula tempat makan ada main-main. Kat sini.
Dia makan, dia main. Seronok lah dia main. Mama tak habis lah sayang. Kenyang. Macam mana nak makan macam-macam semua nak masuk sekali. Dari jalan.
Şu sıraya geçiyorsun. Tamam, bu sıraya geçiyorsun. Sonra dışarıda çıkardım gösterin yardımcı olsunlar size.
Nak naik cable car. Abu. Dia nak naik cable car. Laju je cable car dia. Kak.
Got you, Trevor. Say where are we? Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hello everybody, right now we are in Bursa. We just trying to go up to the Uludağ with the cable car, almost 3,000 meter elevation. We waiting you all to come to Turkey and Bursa. Salam. Nice.
Nice. Of course.
I
Penat. Tired.
One more time.
Tired.
Why? Because you never mentioned post TKI Travel. Okay. We must.
Wait a minute.
Post.
Oh, Allah.
TKI.
TKI.
Yeah.
TKI.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hello everybody. Right now we are just traveling in Turkey with Post TKI Travel, and especially the first day we just came to Bursa, and now we're trying to climb up with the cable car to the Uludağ, and we just waiting you all to Turkey and the Bursa. Selamünaleyküm.
Waalaikumsalam.
Nice.
Waalaikumsalam.
Now
Abu.
this nice.
Nice. Of course nice. Just now so nice. Cuma tak ada TKI je.
No TKI or no nice.
Why you have to remind me? I'm not the artist.
Same.
Oh, when going down, the speed very fast.
Yeah,
Oh, there you see. Oh.
We must and pray also.
I play. Yeah. Actually,
I think better.
you can pray.
We can pray
also.
together all.
I think it's nice.
Oh, this is a good experience, man. Wow.
When you say Bursa, Bursa is Uludağ.
Uludağ, yeah.
Uludağ. If you don't go to Uludağ, not much.
Saksi eh? Empat orang ah. Saksi.
You think I'm afraid, brother?
Ni, saksi ni.
Saksi mas.
Kak, aku
All these
bilang
pasal, I'll take bakshish, you know.
Ada one. Ada one.
Bajiz.
Our radio talk show, Alhamdulillah, I think the highest listener in Singapore.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
You can listen on the website.
YouTube?
You came
No.
here because of him lah.
Yeah, because
YouTube?
me listen
You
only lah.
listen.
Listen to radio because it.
YouTube? No.
No, bukan. Apa dia pakai media eh?
Millicent, there's
Millicent.
an application.
Radio, television
You
channel.
download, you download.
Okay.
You can listen to him. Every Thursday.
You talk more than
Short.
Ini outdoor ni. Bukan studio ni.
Ni live.
Live.
Pakai Facebook live.
Okay.
So this one is StreamYard, but we did not go live on Warna itu. It's just voice.
Oh, this is your assistant eh. Oh, ni benar. Kita dengar kat radio eh.
TKI My Travel, Pak Bos, segala-galanya semua dia jaga TikTok lah. Baik tour guide-nya, baik hotelnya, baik makannya, segala-galanya indah lah kat sini. Siapa yang tak pergi ni hari, memang rugilah.
Wait. Who's the tour guide there? At that time. The tour guide. Hai, what's up ni?